This is my shed. But I'm trying to figure out right now how to make it like more of like an American style, like garage slash like workplace, contemporary, postmodern. Yes. Okay. There's only one thing to do. Paint it fucking Nardo gray. Look, I'm just gonna paint my shed. If you wanna watch it while you're eating food or something. But this is so cool that you can jack up a table, like you never think about that. Oh, so cool. I'm getting ridiculously, what's the word? Distracted by all my toys. Right away. Come on.
Shout out to Danger to Man.
What's your revenue again?
Yeah. That's a bit much, bro. Why you have to say that with such a smile? Hey chat, clip that.
Dumplings in the street! Dumplings in the street!
Gotta lean you down, nice gently. Nice gently. Oh, that's crazy. You spiders! Hey guys, just a quick check-in. I'm getting very overwhelmed with all the mess in here. Oh god. Oh my god. Mayday, mayday, major spiders. Oh, please don't be crazy spiders, please don't be crazy spiders. Fucking hell. Then it's time to get going! Woohoo! There's no other way to say this, I don't think. But the shed is blue. That's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to paint it grey. Instead of just leaving it, I thought to myself, I'm gonna do it again. But I have reinforcements this time. We're gonna engineer it a bit. We have a tool that my friend loaned me. It's a paint sprayer. We're gonna see how that goes. We're just gonna blast it everywhere and just hope for the best. Now we're cooking. It is officially go time. Our doohickey is set up and we're gonna turn this wall into actually kinda hopefully grey. This was easy, everyone would do it. I don't know why I'm trying to sound like I'm motivated. This has been so horrible. Can't believe I painted the shed like twice now. Oh. At this point I feel a little bit psychotic. I've been cleaning that machine for hours and hours. Oh. My lower back is about to give up. Oh. I've been doing this for multiple days now. Might be too early to take this off, but this is my shit. Oh yeah. That's not very clean, but once again, this is my shed. Don't ever judge me. I really like the black. That black bit really changes everything. All alive, bum, 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 bum. Love isn't always on down.
Does it heavy up there?
What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so.
Wow. This is the future of tomorrow, guys. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thank God I laid down those mats to protect the floor. That's great. Solid. Solid. Woo!
Pleasure.
That was ideas I would have been here.
I do.
Holy shit! I hope you all enjoyed this video. That was crazy what he just did. I'm really happy with how this all turned out, even though this isn't the colour that I thought it would be. This marks the beginning of more videos, more fixing, more creating. And I'm really excited, to be honest, because I think this is now our ascent. We went from 111 subscribers to about 125 this week, which is monumental. And we're just going to keep doing that, aren't we? We're just going to 10x this, aren't we? Me and him think we are. I hope whoever's watching thinks we are. And let me give you a little sneak peek of the next addition to the shed / the next little video I'll be doing. There's no way he's jumping down from there. Come on, let's go.